Our cosmic question, a universe of wonder. Have you ever looked up at the stars, deep into the dark, velvety night sky, and seen all those countless shimmering lights, tiny pinpricks so distant yet so bright? Where exactly are we in the universe? What is our true place among these cosmic wonders? Humans have stared at the heavens for thousands of years. Ancient peoples saw patterns in the stars. They told stories, created myths, built monuments, all trying to understand our connection to the cosmos. This deep curiosity is part of what makes us human, the desire to know, to explore, to find our place. The night sky is a vast open book, waiting to be read. We live on a planet, Earth. Our Earth orbits a star, our sun, but our sun is just one star among billions. These billions of stars are gathered together. They form immense structures, islands of light in the dark. We call these structures galaxies. Let's explore. So what exactly is a galaxy? Imagine an enormous collection of stars, not just thousands or millions, but billions, sometimes even trillions of stars all bound together. They are held in a gravitational embrace, along with vast clouds of gas and cosmic dust, and something mysterious, something we cannot see, dark matter. These are galaxies, the fundamental building blocks of the universe. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes. One common type is the spiral galaxy. Think of a beautiful spinning Catherine wheel, with bright arms swirling out from a central hub. These arms are where new stars are often born, shining brightly with young, hot blue stars. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is a majestic spiral, a swirling city of starlight that we call home. Then there are elliptical galaxies. These are different, more rounded, more settled. They can look like giant cosmic rugby balls. Each type tells a different story of cosmic evolution. Now let's journey to our own galaxy, the one we inhabit, the Milky Way. You might have seen it on a very dark night, a faint, glowing band of light stretching across the sky, like a river of milk, which is where its name comes from. This band is actually the light of billions of distant stars, all part of our galaxy, seen from our position within it. It's a truly breathtaking sight to behold. The Milky Way is a magnificent spiral galaxy. It has a bright central bulge packed with stars, and from this center several spiral arms unfurl, great streams of stars, gas, and dust. We reside in one of these arms, the Orion Arm, or sometimes it's called the Orion Spur, a smaller branch. These arms are regions of higher density, where new stars are constantly being born from collapsing nebulae. At the very heart of the Milky Way lies its core, a region of incredible density and activity. Millions of stars are packed tightly together here. Section 4. The life and legacy of the Milky Way. Our Milky Way galaxy is ancient. It is thought to be around 13.6 billion years old. That means it formed very early in the universe's history, not long after the Big Bang itself. It began as vast clouds of hydrogen and helium gas. Slowly, gravity pulled these clouds together. They collapsed, fragmented, and began to form the first stars. And over billions of years, it grew into the spiral we see today. Inside our galaxy, there are countless star systems. Estimates suggest there are between 100 and 400 billion stars. Our sun is just one of them, an average star. Many of these stars likely have planets orbiting them. Imagine the sheer number of worlds that could exist. Worlds of ice, worlds of fire, perhaps even worlds like Earth. The potential for discovery within our own galaxy is staggering. Each star a sun, each potentially a system of its own. The space between the stars is not empty. It is filled with the interstellar medium, vast clouds of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, and tiny particles of dust made of heavier elements. Section 5. Our place in the grand cosmic dance. Our Milky Way galaxy is not alone in the universe. It is part of a small collection of galaxies. We call this group the Local Group. It contains over 50 galaxies, most of them small dwarf galaxies. The Local Group is dominated by two large spirals, our Milky Way and its slightly larger neighbor, the magnificent Andromeda Galaxy. These two giants are like the cosmic parents of our local family. Andromeda, also known as M31, is our closest large galactic neighbor. It's about 2.5 million light-years away, which sounds far, but is relatively close on a cosmic scale. It's visible to the naked eye as a faint fuzzy patch. Andromeda and the Milky Way are moving towards each other, pulled together by their mutual gravity. In about 4.5 billion years they are predicted to collide, and eventually merge to form an even larger galaxy. We also have smaller companion galaxies. The Large and Small Magellanic Clouds are prime examples. These are irregular dwarf galaxies orbiting the Milky Way, visible mainly from the southern hemisphere. They are like little siblings, caught in our gravitational pull.